And many people are wondering right now, by the way, what is healthy eating? By the healthy eating ni nini, Lucy, if you tell us in maybe your own words.
Actually, maybe to simplify healthy eating, it's about making deliberate choices on healthy foods. It's like saying today, like yesterday I had a pizza, today let me try having some diverse of vegetable. So it's all about making that deliberate healthy food choices. Yes.
And how do you know that you're doing healthy eating? What do I need to make sure that this is some food that will help me and my health?
Okay, when it comes to foods and healthy choices, we can all assess ourselves how we eat our foods. Like Cynthia, maybe in a week, umekula junk ngapi. I know you can.
Wow, I can't even count.
You can name them.
Yes.
So when it comes to healthy eating, it's all about balancing because we don't want to live a life that we don't have the junk foods in our markets. They are all over, but you can say like in 7 days of a week, at least I'll be having 5 days of clean eating. That is 80% clean eating. Then the rest of the 2 days, you can have a girls' ice cream day out, can attend a birthday party. So it's all about in 7 days, make sure you have 5 days of clean eating, healthy eating.
This clean eating, if food in a kaji, if I'm telling someone that I'm having, clean eating kind of food, if food by the in a kaji, the ones that are very, very healthy for us.
I wish I came with my plate. It's all about balancing the size and portions. Like, let's take an example of a plate. I usually advocate for half of your plate should be occupied by vegetable, a rainbow of vegetable, because each color represents a unique nutrient. And vegetables, they are full of vitamins, minerals, and these are what your body requires.
We are Pearl Radio.